Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda HR-V cabin air filter. First, ensure you have a new cabin air filter designed for your vehicle and a small flathead screwdriver. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining good air quality inside your car and ensuring your heating and air conditioning system runs efficiently. The entire process is straightforward and usually takes less than 15 minutes to complete, even for beginners. Let's get started. To begin, open your glove box and remove all its contents to give yourself clear access. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the two plastic stoppers, allowing the glove box to swing down further. On the right side, you'll find a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip this arm from its attachment point. This step fully frees the glove box, letting it hang down and reveal the filter housing behind it. You're doing great. With the glove box out of the way, you will see a rectangular plastic cover, which is the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips, one on each side of this cover. Gently pinch these clips inward and pull the cover straight off. Now, carefully slide the old cabin air filter out of its slot. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Almost there. Now, take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Slide the new filter firmly into the housing. Replace the filter housing cover, making sure the clip snaps securely into place. Reattach the dampener arm to the glove box, then push the glove box sides inward to re-engage the stoppers. Close the glove box, and you're all done. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.